This isn't going to be a long sales video. Your time's valuable, and so is mine. Hi, I'm Dawud, and over the past 2 years, I've scaled up my income from zero to over $35,000 in revenue each and every month. Here's some recent proof. And here's another. In the process, I've launched 25 websites and almost 40 products, and I now benefit from over 30,000 members inside my Elite Tigers group. So, what I'm doing today is giving you the benefit to tap into some of my traffic. Welcome to Place Your Link. That's right. I'm going to let you place any link of your choice onto a rotator and then email it out to all 30,000 members across my group every single day for as long as my sites exist. Your link will be seen every single day by proven buyers. But that's not all. I'm also going to be sharing the links directly on my 25 websites, on my corporate website elitetigersgroup.org, and on my blog site dawudislam.com. Yes, for a one-time crazy low price, you're going to benefit from free targeted traffic to any link forever. Here's how it works. Step 1. Pick up a copy of Place Your Link before the price goes up. Step 2. Place any URL of your choice to be added to the rotator. And step 3. Sit back and relax as you benefit from free targeted buyer traffic each and every day. But act fast. Let me tell you a really big secret. At the start of the launch, there are no links on the sales rotator. That means that those who take fast action will get way more clicks to their links than those who delay. Because at the start of the launch, every single click could be going to their offers. So, the longer you delay, the less traffic you will get. This really is the ultimate product for fast action takers who pick up a copy during the launch period. I said that I wouldn't take up much of your time, so now it's up to you to decide. Do you want free traffic for life for less than the cost of a pizza? Or do you want to carry on as before, struggling to get anyone to visit your page? Don't worry if you say no. It means there'll be more traffic for everyone else. But if you say yes, then I'll see you on the inside, where we can get your free traffic started in less than 60 seconds from now. Take care and have a great day.